Hello, traders. Welcome back to the Meg VIP channel, where smart trading meets real results. If you are tired of guessing the market, following random signals, and losing trades because of emotions, you are in the right place. Today, I will show you how the Meg VIP community trades professionally and how you can follow the same proven system. Right now, you are seeing today's VIP trading results. Every trade you see here was shared live inside our private Telegram VIPP group with clear entry points, stop loss levels, and profit targets. No edited screenshots, no fake profits, only real-time trades and transparent performance. We even post our daily results inside our free Telegram group so everyone can track our accuracy before joining VIP. You can check all results yourself. The free group link is in the description. So what makes Meg VIP different from other signal groups? First, we focus only on high probability setups, not random trades. Our signals are based on market structure, technical confirmation, and smart risk management. We don't chase pumps. We wait for clean opportunities. That's why our members stay consistent, not lucky. Second, we guide every trade step by step. You will always know where to enter, where to take profit, and where to protect your capital. This is how professional traders trade the market. If you are serious about growing your trading account the smart way, start with our free Telegram group. Watch our daily results. Learn how we trade. Build confidence first. And when you are ready to level up, join Meg VIP and trade alongside our private community. All links are in the description. Stop guessing. Start trading with strategy. Join Meg VIP today. And let's grow together.